Parts of Texas and Oklahoma are on standby for some very severe weather. First Warn 5 meteorologist Andrew Chung is tracking that for us. Andrew, what are areas up north expecting?
Well, for this evening, Steve, places like Dallas, Fort Worth, Oklahoma City are looking at a good chance for severe thunderstorms with damaging winds and hail, and tornadoes are a possibility as well. Here's a severe weather outlook map. This is for this evening. You notice that the valley not included. No severe weather here for us in the valley. It'll stay quiet, but up to the north of I-35, let's zoom in here. You can see the moderate risk, the bullseye shown in the dark orange. This includes Oklahoma City. This is a moderate risk for severe weather all the way into Norman, Oklahoma, and Sherman, Denison, Texas. Dallas, Fort Worth in the brown has an enhanced risk of severe weather. Again, this is right through this evening through at least midnight tonight. So it's very quiet here in the valley. Again, it will stay quiet for this evening, but take a look up north. All the red you see indicates tornado watches in effect. This is for Dallas, Fort Worth, Sherman, just east of Wichita Falls into Oklahoma. We're seeing some severe thunderstorm warnings as well in the yellow polygons west of DFW into the southwest as those thunderstorms push to the northeast. Here is Oklahoma. Again, all the red you see is tornado watches in effect for central Oklahoma through this evening, and already a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings popping up on I-35 just to the south of Oklahoma City. For us, it's just going to stay breezy for tonight and quiet, partly cloudy skies right now. We'll have more clouds later on this evening. And speaking of the winds, they're out of the south to southeast between 20 to 26 miles an hour. And look at the gusts. It's been a windy, breezy day today. 35 in Harlingen, 33 miles an hour in Port Isabel, and 26 in Weslaco. It'll stay breezy for this evening, but tomorrow the winds should start to come down. Still very warm out there. Look at Rio Grande City, 93 degrees. Right now, 84 in Weslaco, 81 in Raymondville, and 80 degrees in Port Isabel. So your forecast for this evening is going to be mild. Clouds will increase later on tonight. Other than that, partly cloudy early on this evening. 82 at 7 p.m., 76 at 9 p.m., and 73 degrees at 11 o'clock this evening. So the front continues to move into North Texas. This yellow line is a dry line, which separates warm, moist air to the east from warm, dry air to the west. And thunderstorms can develop again along that dry line. That's why we're seeing those thunderstorms forming east of the dry line heading toward North Texas as well as Oklahoma. On future track, that front bypasses the valley. Things will stay very warm here and just dry and quiet here in the valley for tomorrow into Tuesday. Another front should finally arrive here in the valley by early Thursday morning. We'll put in a very slight chance of a shower on Wednesday, and there's not much of a cool down sadly behind this front for Thursday, but the mornings will be cooler for Thursday morning as well as Friday morning. The coolest day this week during the day, if you want to call it cool, is Thursday with high temperatures in the upper 80s. Another front may arrive here in the valley by next weekend. On the water, small craft advisory is in effect until 7 p.m. for the bay waters. Small craft should use caution for the Gulf waters tonight. Your next tide is a low tide at 9:03 this evening, and the bay waters are choppy. So for this evening, it's breezy, it's mild. Clouds will increase late tonight, low temperature of 69. Then for tomorrow, the wind should come down, mostly sunny, very warm with a high temperature of 90 degrees. And here's that 7-day forecast. The heat does continue, folks. 91 Tuesday and breezy again on Tuesday. Partly cloudy and very warm, even hot on Wednesday, 94 degrees with a very slight chance of a shower. Should be less humid behind the front on Thursday with high temperatures in the upper 80s. That's your First Warn 5-4.